This is for MCM.
Come up with, there you go, so that's more like, there we go. So these are the biscuits here. Mmm. There's some in the oven already, have a look in the oven, look.
Yum yum.
No.
Open it.
Whoa!
Ah, it's funny. It steamed it up.
Okay, and they're what they...
They look like little dumps.
Yeah. That's just cat food. But just to make sure that you know, it is turkey and rice cat food, and it's very good quality cat food. It's expensive, right? I know they look like chocolate chips, but they're not. That's cat food. So anyway, turkey and rice, chocolate cookies, turkey and rice, chocolate cookies.
Turkey and rice cookies.
No, there's no turkey and rice in them. Oh, and if you need proof,
Yum yum.
if they need proof, look.
Right,
Ready?
they need proof.
Which one hasn't got cat food in them? That one. See you tomorrow.